I want to take a look at right now is actually a toolbar that we can use with Firefox. So in order to use this toolbar, I have to go up to View, Toolbars, and then I'm going to select hackbar. Now, hackbar isn't something that you're going to use to just hack into pages. What it's going to do is it's going to give you some shortcuts to information. So let me do this, for example. I'm going to just select some data and I'm going to paste it into this box up here. So one of the handy things that hackbar gives you is the ability to quickly encode and decode data in particular formats. So right here I've got a base 64. So I can base 64 encode that string, and then of course I can base 64 decode it. So if you're working with a page and you're seeing data, whether in parameters or in headers or something like that, you can open up hackbar and plug that data in here and then quickly decode it so you can actually see what's going on. I can also do things like hex encoding. So this is all hex encoded now. That same string, this is now in hexadecimal form. So I can similarly do hex to characters and come back to the original string that I've got. Now, you'll see in addition to encoding, there's an other menu here. So I could add slashes, for example. I actually have to select the string, and then I can add slashes. Or I could strip slashes or strip spaces. So if I did that, I could take all of the spaces out. That just helps us with different formatting that is going on. So I've got the ability to do some MD5 hashing. That would give me the MD5 hash of the data. I could do some simple MySQL. So for example, that would be the character for MySQL. It's actually done the conversion there for us. I could do things like a basic info column here, and that's given me some actual SQL statements that I may be able to use. So similarly for MS SQL and Oracle, it's got information that I may be able to use just for shortcuts as I'm going through here. So cross-site scripting, I could do string from character code. I could do HTML characters. So we've converted everything there to HTML characters. If you wanted, for example, to do something like a classic, trying to do a cross-site scripting thing here, where we just did an alert box. Now I select all of this, and I could use this to convert all of that to HTML characters. So now, if the page actually isn't paying attention to the conversion, I may be able to use this to do some cross-site scripting. So I could take that out and, for example, just plug it in there and do a go, and I'm not actually getting anything back, which doesn't really surprise me, but I can do the different conversions up in this box here and then just quickly and easily plug them into the pages that I'm testing down below. So the hackbar actually gives us some shortcuts for doing data manipulation so that we can do our testing inside the web application maybe more efficiently and more quickly.